I've worked with John on our previous house on multiple different renovations at my offices, which are based in Wimbledon, and he's also worked on this house since we moved in, which was about 11 years ago, so probably 4 or 5 different projects on this house as well. We've worked with Hilltop Construction in 2 phases on the recent renovation of the house. The first phase was the ground floor side extension, the kitchen and the dining area. The second phase was a complete renovation of our attic space into a bedroom, dressing room and ensuite. Working with Hilltop Construction was really easy. It was a lot of planning, a lot of coordination between us and them. And once we knew what we were doing, the team on site were keeping in touch and great communication on a daily basis. I think because we were here, we were able to have those conversations. And they were always really respectful of the home and making sure that they were tidy and cleared away at the end of every day. Couldn't be happier with how it all looks. Really delighted with the space. It's been fantastic to sort of see it all come together. And yeah, there's really no issues outstanding with the building work. We've been really pleased with how it's all come together at the end. Ultimately, if you're wanting building work doing, I couldn't recommend them enough. I think we've worked with them on really small projects and all the way through to major house renovations. So from our perspective, he's our go-to for any building work, and I'd be more than happy to recommend him to anybody who would be looking for any kind of construction or building project for their home.